Alright, I'm working on changing the fan and the fan box, or the light box to a light box to a fan box, because it's not installed correctly. So I've already started it before I started this video, but that's what it looks like currently. Alright, the fan is taken all the way down, just the box. And so I'm going to change this box next and put a fan box there. So here we go into the attic. Alright, we're in the attic. As you see, all the insulation. Looking for the electrical box for ceiling fan that goes in one of the bedrooms. So much insulation that it particles make me cough. So I'm gonna go get me some kind of mask or respirator, and I gotta try to look through this to find the box for that particular room. And that's the challenging part. After that, it gets easy. Alright, we're in the attic. There's the box I gotta take out. And then put that there. There we go. Alright, so the box is out of the hole. And I'm gonna put the new one in. Alright, the new box is installed. That's what it looks like. Now it's gotta patch up some of the holes that I knocked out. And then I'll come up here and fill the insulation back in. Alright, the finished product of the fan being installed with a new box. Yeah, it's a lot sturdier than it was before. It's quieter too, it doesn't shake. So yeah, that's it.